Once the CAG Bassbar counterform is assembled, we can proceed with positioning the bassbar itself. Then we place the belly on the counterform. We block it with the supplied clamps, which have silicone supports and therefore soft material that does not mark the wood at all. We tighten them just a little to ensure that the belly is firm and stable during fitting the bassbar. At this point we are in this situation and we have the free stops. We will have previously marked, as we are used to, some points for the orientation. That is, the inclination of the bassbar and the position with respect to the foot of the bridge. And at this point we can use the plexiglass bassbar supplied, or even the bassbar that we will then use on the violin. In this case we use the false bassbar supplied, and what I do is first position these two stops so that they keep the bassbar aligned as I want, with respect to the 3 points that I marked previously. I remember that the sides of the stops are perfectly square, and therefore we will have a bassbar that will be perfectly square with the plane of the top. I adjust well the stops. I recheck the positioning. It needs just a bit below to match the lower sign. Now I have the precise orientation and I tighten these two supports. Then I take the bassbar that I will use for this violin because it will have different thicknesses, and therefore it is this that I must block with the other two stops. I make sure that the bassbar is stably blocked, and at this point I can proceed to fit the bassbar, having guaranteed the square with respect to the plane of the belly, and that I will always put the bassbar in the same position. The fitting will be faster and easier.